Picture this. You pull out your smartphone, hold down the home button, and say, "What's the weather like today?" In an instant, you get an answer, maybe even with a recommendation to grab an umbrella. That quick response? That's artificial intelligence at work. But what is artificial intelligence, or AI, anyway? If you've ever wondered how stuff like Siri, self driving cars, or even those perfectly targeted ads online actually work, then you're in the right place. Let's break it down in a straightforward, no nonsense way. At its core, artificial intelligence is about building machines that can think, or at least act, in a way that seems intelligent. It's teaching computers to do things that usually require human smarts, like learning, solving problems, making decisions, or understanding language. Think of it as giving computers a brain, or more accurately, a set of rules and patterns they can follow to figure things out. Now, how does AI show up in your daily life? More ways than you probably realize. When Netflix recommends your next binge-worthy show, that's AI. When your spam folder magically catches junk emails before they end up in your inbox, that's AI. And yes, when those oddly accurate, "you might also like" products pop up while you're shopping online, AI is behind that too. But here's what's really cool. AI isn't just one thing. It's kind of an umbrella term for a bunch of technologies that work together to mimic human intelligence. Take machine learning, for example. This is a type of AI where computers don't just follow rigid rules, they actually learn by looking at patterns in data. Imagine you wanted a computer to recognize pictures of cats. You'd show it thousands of pictures: cats lounging on couches, cats playing with toy mice, even cats wearing little hats. Over time, the computer gets better and better at spotting a cat, even if it's a totally new picture it's never seen before. And that's because it's learning from the data. Then there's something called natural language processing, or NLP, which is how AI understands and responds to human language. Ever ask Alexa to play your favorite song? NLP is what lets it interpret your request and deliver the right tune. Without it, your smart assistant wouldn't be so, well, smart. Of course, AI isn't magic, it's data and algorithms, plain and simple. Imagine teaching someone how to drive. At first, you'll set clear instructions: turn left here, step on the brake now, and so on. Those instructions? That's kind of like programming a simple machine. But then let's say the learner starts understanding why they need to slow down at a red light or when to switch lanes based on traffic flow. That's closer to what happens in AI. The machine starts recognizing patterns and making its own decisions based on experience. Experience built from mountains of data fed into it. Experience built from mountains of data fed into it. But for all its wonders, there are limits. AI doesn't have emotions, self-awareness, or creativity like humans do. It doesn't know things the way we do. And while it can solve a very specific problem, think, beating a human at chess, it still struggles with common sense or tasks it's not trained for. You might have heard this distinction before. There's narrow AI, which is focused on specific tasks, and then there's the idea of general AI, machines that think and learn like a human in a broad, flexible way. Here's the thing: general AI doesn't exist yet. Everything we see today is narrow AI. Ultra smart, sure, but in one particular area. Now, why does this matter? Because AI isn't just about convenience, it's about transformation. It's revolutionizing industries. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors detect diseases earlier and with more accuracy. In transportation, it's paving the way for self-driving vehicles that could make the roads safer. And in education, it's personalizing learning experiences so each person can get what they need to succeed. These are exciting times, but also times for caution. As AI gets smarter, society needs to think carefully about how to use it responsibly. Who's accountable if an AI-driven car makes a mistake? How do we keep AI unbiased when it's trained on data that might have built-in prejudices? These are big questions, and the answers will shape the world we live in. So what's the bottom line? AI is all around us, making life easier and more efficient in countless ways. But it's not just robots taking over or some far-off science fiction dream. It's here, it's evolving, and it's being shaped by us. And that means whether it's Siri, Netflix, or a groundbreaking medical breakthrough, AI is a reflection of humanity's creativity, ambition, and yes, responsibility. So now you know. Artificial intelligence is the art of teaching machines to think like us, or at least close enough. The next time you ask your phone a question or let an app plan your day, take a moment to wonder, what else could AI do? Because this is just the beginning.